Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications. Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, making a difference.
Mixed reactions have trailed the state of internal roads awarded by the Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, in Oshimili North local government area of Delta State. While some respondents commend the NDDC for providing roads that have continued to drive socio-economic development in their communities, others have drawn the Commission's attention to the abandoned state of road projects in their localities.
Ibusa town, located in Oshimili North local government area of Delta State, is just about 6 miles away from Asaba, the Delta State capital. The town comprises several communities that are confronted with a crisis of underdevelopment. A few years back, the Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, awarded contracts for the construction of internal roads to open up the communities for rapid development. Some of the internal roads built by the NDDC are in Umwede community. Some residents of Umwede who spoke to Inside the Niger Delta expressed their gratitude to the NDDC for the construction of a network of internal roads that has boosted trade and commerce in the community.
People could not carry their goods. The Okada cannot go effectively. The people that have their vehicles, they need to go to mechanic often and often because of the bad road. Now that the NDC came, there was a slight relief.
We thank NDDC so much for the help they have done, and we want them to do more, like that of the major road, gutter drainage to the ECAK or something like that. We want that to be working. Once that one is done, then their work is just perfectly okay.
The NDDC, as part of its intervention, also awarded contracts for the construction and rehabilitation of internal roads at Umuwai community. While some of the roads in Umuwai are in good shape, others were not completed. Residents call on the NDDC to prevail on contractors to complete the road construction project to save them the agony of commuting on bad roads.
NDDC, got the thank you for the one I did before, but make una try, make una call work and wear again. Old people know they feed the worker for rain again if rain fall.
NDDC una try, but it remain. Una try to construct our road, but the place where remain is the worst now. My shop where they from Umuwai, I know the few open.
President General of the Ibusa Youth Association, Comrade Ifeanyi Asiodu, who appreciates the NDDC intervention, calls on the Commission to rehabilitate failed roads to give the communities a new lease of life.
What I will plead with the government of the NDDC is to come back, reconstruct the road, or let me say rehabilitate the road, and then probably construct new roads.
Farmers in Ibusa are particularly affected by bad roads as they've been unable to transport their produce to Asaba and other major urban centers in Delta State. They want the NDDC and its development partners to come to their rescue as a matter of urgency.
Inside the Niger Delta. Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, making a difference.